ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯛ ꯊꯤꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯔꯝꯃꯤꯅꯦ when we were very young ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯛꯇꯦꯀꯣ ꯀꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯒꯗꯤ ꯐꯒꯗꯧꯕꯅꯦ ꯀꯥꯏ but today ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯤꯕ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ we are not showing a flags ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯎꯠꯄ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ show off ꯅꯠꯇꯦꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯂꯧꯍꯧ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯥꯟꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯚ꯭ꯌꯨꯗꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯁꯨ ꯍꯪꯉꯦ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯈꯪꯉꯕ꯭ꯔꯣ which generation you belong to kai hangeba Gen Z okay well Gen Z what are the qualities a Gen Z should possess kai si hangini nang Gen Z da laibra Gen X da laibra Gen Y da laibra khangde ko ai zum haibe wane but I believe that you guys must be in Gen Z da laiba natro noi loimba laibro khangbro which generation ai hange na han angam da which generation you belong to na hange do angam do na modern generation nei almana khangdaba ineba do I am not surprised khangdaba is khangdaba but the point is hojikti noi digital and technology ki era da adu khangdragadi you are not using your technology in a right way use technology in a right way everything is in your hand in your fingertips ta loi layer ngaktane but still we are not utilizing it my name is Raina Ngangom Raina Ngangom Kowi and I am a corporate trainer in SS Career Solution. Ma'am, Kalambe, what is corporate trainer? Trainer di am tare masina mukarama makalgi trainer no kaina khan basu myong ani student marakta. Mas noi masen hangna basu to myong ani ko nakan daga. Karama makalgi trainer oirija no kaina. Yaw bro hangna ba? Okay, let me just kaitare kitang explain sum tawjarake ko like what is my role in role as a trainer karama makal gi trainer gi role no ina pairi se ina luxury se kai se ma'am da kitang dum haijarake I became a trainer in Pune dai trainer oijarei I was working there for 9 years I chahi mapal tawjarei corporate trainer any professional thabak tawraba mi sing se सिसे करम्ब मखलगी कोई ट्रेनिंग पीरगा मागी थबक सिदगी हेना फन थबक तौब यागे काइसे मिगी ट्रेनिंग मयाम पीब हाइबदी थबक से हेक चंगब लोइरगा लोइगिब नतब थबक से तौरिङैदा हेना फजना तौनब करी करी दो ओइबि आइ सुम खनसे याम ओइबि आइ मी लोइनबसु याइ Kainoda teamwork and team building go away baduna. Aina thaba ama tawrabane na changuraga team du na changuraga sidi akhoi gi chahi lenga amta na tena kainaga ai hek lokthopugumba yawning da bogumba natraga as akhoi party na te kainaga moi hai se ai yaning de kaina wakhan da la agadi thabak tawminaba yar oi doine ba so in that area training pi ba even the professional ka aduguma makal gi training piba kangu ne masida yam laigre kari makal no ka have the communication skills then team building teamwork interpersonal skills kaina makal gi training si piraga my area adu da yam na phajana thabak tawna na ba haibane ba aduma makal gi training piba miwe moi jai but aina Manipur da thola aba matung da Manipur gi departments mayam lairiba makhal mayam da yamna request tawraga training makhal mayam ama pigre hujik so dum school khangde school gi oza sing khangde then even rims su doctor nurses mayam ama team moina work tawriba ngaktani moi gi su training piu haidana dum chatli akoi gi company na chatam pham haidare silai selaktre but at the end aina sum khanjaba o yengakpa matamda aina ngasai gi ada tawraga aina ngasai gi student mayam na student di hire roige employee mayam ama loiner aba matungda Manipur se da lairiba mi singse kram hai leige ai student mayam se kamai leige graduate loir matungda moi se kari fivam da leige kaina sum thigalakpa gi pot ama akhoi sum tawjaba hai tare so recently it's been couple of years sai ani muk sure hai tare we have been engaging all the graduate mayam se akoi loina yeba hangeba what is your plan what is your future what is your career option kainaga the angang sing se kamai leram ge ha matam da no aga I am very confused ka habise oi ko ai khangde kai dog doino khangde kainaga haiba aduga karigino nangna ngasai graduate oiramisidi kaigino ka hairaga graduate oirde certificate amadi phangidana adude heng opportunity ma lakpa matamda ai mai ka kanabo oidoini ka hairakpa yaweba, which is very correct. Yam chumme. But the point is, chahi mada some rough estimation example nama laurageba. Chahi madu 2023 graduate lising kun tholak kreba Manipur da. Lising ani madi as ai thabak tawdaba yade na thidana khotana masagi police tawdana magi awat pa mengkhatana hotnadana ai career haidana changreba lising ani imdi. Lemhori si kaya no lising trying pan ne. Lising trying pan to degi lising ani mukna mukai dawi. No, I have a better plan. I give future di. I need to study more. Hire na further studies ta mumai onjal leba. Master tok to I PhD to bagi plan lay dana. Maya mama mu ngasay lising trying pan to degi ani hum kai do kreba. Adi lising ama muksina kay dawi. Tabak tau tabaso hengam daba. Or kahit tare like makatam tabaso ngam dana some situation na stuck torga laiba mo koy lising muksu laib. Ay nang sing ngangza dori sa noy na category me amdo the chandraga so remaining some 14,000 or 14,000 student namadi chahi kudingi laiba kaim su tawdana. Science the graduate oir agasu, arts the graduate oir agasu, mark am phanguragasu not able to change the ngam career the on top ngam dabado adu mayam amasu laiba masi sum yengu matam da kemta oiram dreba. The first thing is I say thaba ama tawge hagadi ai employee ma oige hagado ne oige haibane ba sabna harbada adu itadi what should I achieve I kari achieve tawgado no haiba. It's not about your certificate. Nang na graduate loire iba certificate tu khakta na teba nangon the set of skill lama darkar lai haibane ba. That is called employability skills. Ai sibu thabak tawba yarabra ne haibado masida kari changi. Say for an example thaba ama laire sida post ama hange hairagadi nang na chatning doine interview se piru doina tro thabak ai se. Now interview piba matamda khwaidi hambada changiba potse karino aigi biodata aduneba. Biodata se kai kawi CV su kawi resume su kawi makhal ne. Number 1 da ai sibu si semba hairaba mira haiba. Second da kaino ai interview face tawr doineba. Interview face tawba haiba se kaino I need to have the courage and the confidence. Lairikta hotnaraga paraga 100 out of 100 phangbadi adum laigi bisu yaiba because I'm studied and I'm giving that much effort. Me ahum mari punchalaga mayai du da phammaga aina my name is ana horakpado adugi guts yaudaba angang su dum leitaba natteba. EU hairaga di loi haidoine but when it comes to that presentation angon di yauram dreb. Ado akhoi gi aran badi natte ko. Aina toroktaba potudi ai uncomfortable oigani haibane. Akoi na kari tawi noi gi da example ama pige ba noi na tinari ba namana ba ani ahum do adu khatane ba noi na nungai jari se akoi party ne ba do. But that when you change you switch to a different environment noi da di kai dorni noi gi comfort zone natabani na nang wanga ngaroi nang tallani ka Saina di moy party se kaina ka mi ani hum manga taruk ler ma mafam du nang na ton chango ka habje nang tan ngani ba kai no ko party im to su yaw dana ka stalle moy do haina de kaina kai no that haina da ba that nuai ta ba everything is your that means that you are not that is not your comfort zone adu nang na mi mo oi ge ha ga di nang gi comfort zone do thammamaga nang tholak ka do ne ba adu itadi nang hayeng nang gi team da hayeng thabak tawraga nang na team mama phangma matamda si party ja koi party na te na tok toira ba asyam angang ngakta yam ahan ngakta haina ragadi I'm still not complete haibane ai complete oidri ba thabak to ba yadri haibane certificate phangboy wani ai thabak to ba yadri haibane ko so that means aina adugi pot laire hairagadi ai work to ba yai ai hotna ba yai ai haibe yai ba si kamai tinani kamay wa ngangani kainaga. After your graduation, there are so many exams. Exam mayam ama lay thabe aba. Ado akoy di kay dawi sumhangu matam da as written da di ay se khandi khalle do second round da kainag stuck to we ba kaina. That means that my personality is not fit. Fit oidri hai bani ko. Loina na yam important oi se kaino. Okay, that everything high divine nga side high zari skills sing say yam important oi ba. Why the maru oi ba important oi se na kari no hai matam da. That is your communication skills. Communication skills plays a very important role. Ay example macha pisa ke ko. Angang ama master in computer application MCA lawyer ba angang ama is very good in computers. Yam hai computer da. So he's very intelligent also mas managa thaba ma ngasai gi interview ma chatore na manang mai ngasai resume ga se pa same mana. Adugo prepare so fazana tawe ba. Preparation se mana my name is kind of say in practice tawre. Aduga interviews is a now interview is not about knowing only that skills. Nang na hay computer katagi hangakani haba ka sulaiti haba. It can be a random question. They just wanted to know mo na khangning is kay no what is your presence of mind. Nang presence of mind se kam strong oi kay so check tawri ne. Remember that. So now this person mana kamay tawge da mana resume se pa na same ka magi hobbies e. Hobbies ida cooking even nupam sa sina. Nupam sa so hobby the cooking oy biyay ko. We all know that. Yeah? Santos sana samna sakini ko. Mai so yam thin na tawi ko. So adudagi din nupam sa ngata ni usig real da thagalay se cooking da. So this guy is also one of them. Yam ngawza ba. Kaya you know that every time whenever there is a party mana thonge ba chicken do. So questions the interviewers in how okay after like screening the resume and after giving the introduction second question se kaila ka matam da oh it seems like your hobby is cooking sina asnang cooking or male nang hobby se anupam sa sina yes sir cooking is my hobby. All right, do you know how to make chicken nang chicken thong ba bro? Yes, I know how to make chicken. I always cook kain ma so hensel leba. Then the third question is, all right, let's do one thing. If you know how to make chicken, can you make chicken now for me? Na huzik thong gera aigida huzik chicken thong ba. Chicken thong ba na mana pamisidi just the explanation, the recipe he used and what kind of ingredients he used. Mamana procedure do. Khangning ba tare. So this very boy who is done MCA mana hai ba. Okay, the first thing is, sir, I'll take 1 kg chicken. Chicken kg ma, lower ni, kahai ni ma explain do. Just imagine, ay na di explain di am tongning aba. I will take 1 kg chicken, kahai raga di amule hogdoy ni ba is. Gyan tao. I'll take 1 kg chicken and onions, kahai. Onion kay zo amula lalamba do. So I'll take onions, I'll chop it. Onions is mapumdada do ra? No. There is a vocabulary ka chop onions ka lazy my steps eh the person mamit ta uraga sup ningjang bai tare ginger garlic ka sibog ti am lairam ba do samaroi ga sam thakninga aba ma je what is samaroi in English span khale yaw do se haitre adai di vegetable oil thau di darkar lai duini na tra adai sum mana ningjang da hai re zira ga duti loin ko re ma what is zira in English ka se ko re masal ga su thangning I pone but still he doesn't have any idea so he put tomato ka lai ba sing sum hai re mana as thongjal lage da na mana okay the first thing is I'll take harga khang jine man thagat toi se so here is the point nang the presence of mind is stronger magadi the person doesn't want to know what is kang call in English aduna te ba kang ning is kai sina ge do khang du kaogragasu presence of mind haibase kaino as amek da thongba yai kaidoroge akhoi ne khangang padagi pot is a chapu lai natro zal take a pot haiba yai ba but this person is completely stuck with that jiri ka khang jiri gi amuba khang je stuck to lai ram na ma se thoklak tre ba you can still use a pressure cooker pressure cooker season ba yai ko but again still stuck. Sir, I'll take these are fillers. Sigyan tabiyo ba? Sikaino I am not used to of all this haibaneba. Aina paraga marks 100 out of 100 pangpadi yam lairam meba. But sitting somewhere and giving an answer with full confidence, sidalairam me potse. Other that guy, after so many days, ay nahange. Eh nang nahan interview ko main tawage hang bada. Manhay, yes ma'am, ay khang da pallale hore hari. So this kind of situation may happen any point of time. Communication plays a very important role haibane. Communication si da karamba makal ke communication no hai matam da the right pronunciation wala communication. Sinoy na khang daw se huzik matam si da you name it, it's a digital world ni ko. Sida anything nang na iriba, khotliba, hairiba sa, ako'y swaida dang loideba, hujikti globally loy na touch torpo oy banina, ay nangangi ba English sa, mi kuding mang nakhang bahay ba neba. Sida ay na hairi, sida ay na Amerika, da lo liba English, ako'y matawtam se hay ba natte, UK da lo liba English matawtam se hay ba natte, tawadabu, ako'y na lo liba English sa, mi pong kuding mang na understand tawon se hay ba. Because ako'y Manipur hariba lam sidagi lolak pa English se karma makal gi English oigan ge ha matam da full of MTI oiba MTI dinoy khangam ba su yaw gani ko mother tongue influence sai bane ba ima maro na thumat laga ngange ba aduna bu pen card to ako'y Manipur da di pan card adum kauri ba ai nang na mapan hek thu oraga khongka ben ka thu oraga pan card amta hair ba matam na moi trang chat khiu sai ba karma card oi doino kai so these are the real scenario of we. Ako'y mayang gine scenarios isine ba. Ako'y loing khange ba, but when it comes to communication, ako'y kita nga dumaninghan ba. Adu ko ay nagkhanga ga sune. Kut ekta tanggat pa nga magtabagom siya ba. Kay gino da ako'y da career sa ba po su yoram dre ba. Khang di khanga ga khange ga habi zungam zadi ba ko'y di. Adu bu ay na haiza ba dong sa comfort zone hay na amalay dana. Adoy marak tu da any hango ba hangbar khumbirak ke ba jagoi saju sarak ke ba isai sa also sak ke ba but atopa group ama hek lay matam da ina sangam da bhai ba di ai siam soli hai bane ba ai ne am soli ba mi do kari da la kani last ai asaw ba do olakani ba anger kai gino da ai communication ai ngang do magyan tarak tre ba sum Adomai tawdana ay na nga hayeng noy na hayeng loy thabak tawninge bu hairasu further studies nge foreign da tamde adre ne paisa di tak tai paisa lurem ne ay janda imai pa na nang foreign tam mo haireba what if you cannot clear that IELTS exam who are you haibase they are going to check mark ne aponte khawbora sales khawbora am piraga im change haibasu yarak tabayai So these are the area wherein you have to nang nasagi hotna badu darkar lakani hai bineba. So in Manipur, ako'y da kari laige hai ba matamda sigumba macha sina problem ama thohal leba. Ay na thabak mafam amada ay ni ima ipa ga khangna changhal lure. Graduate oira matungda tha ani hum le kan da mu kai dor e. Tok tho lore kaino. Molau de, si companies na tabdamam de, sige attitude sila sinatak padi any kind of tax lak pamatamda policy magi makhada chat pangam chat na ba hotna ba matamda ako'y ngamjade hai ba. That is our problem. Mado ako'y weakness ne. Ako'y ason ba ne ba. Workplace readiness ay ready oidri ba thabak taw matamda because I still have that anger issue. Ay anger issue lay ba adu ay kamay thabak tong minawa yadoy no nung tigi ay se pung mapandala ba office sung khana je ba nong phado ay na pung 10 da sa pamatam da pok sung bibida na ne pung 10 sa sale ba Kaino na pung tara lai di mapanda la kadong na tra ngang pumatam da ay sawe ba. Kaino na handi mapala ito di nga si gagting ba sida. Mo na so yam soy si kay gino kay kalle ba koy di. But I'm not supposed to think that. Adu confirm thok te ba. Right communication kay se lonely khatan na te ba. Communicate to bi ba. Kamay na mayam tilak pada kamay ngang pa. Kari mo ngang season na ba. Kay si ay nakhangdraga di. I'm still I'm not complete hai bane. Ab sigo mamayam se as a student na mo oina learn to hoga do bopot ngak tane ba. So that the moment you get ready for your job to make a career nangon da awat pam ta leita na ba. Do khoi di kai dawi. Atum matam khajik manghan le ba. Khajik tam ga dong matam da tam hodra bani na hayeng Lira akan da graduate ka lawyer matung da tamba kai si talle ba sibu kanan tam mege ga adoi dardi you're still not complete graduate lawyer matung da ai kai doge hai bano ai graduate lawyer matung da ai thabak toge hai bra natraga ai adum yara bra that should be a question raised to yourself na tom da hangjaga do question ne ba why what I'm doing here ai si kai do rino sida like tami bra yes like tami ne why certificate kira why certificate government job everybody will will like loi pamnari ngak but what is your plan B hai plan B si kari no ba hujik matam da I'll tell you one thing it's completely changed 10 years ki mamang da leiramba Manipur ga hujik ka yam thi ke nei ba the reason is there are so many companies private companies mayam ma thog la ba private companies mayam sida sune akhoina ne thabak tawraga government thabak ngai ba dum ya bane ba aina ne exam se tha doine na aina 2021 the graduate level angang kharani ko not actually one but some of them moi hai moi graduate level ga paikha tha doine ngal lehowe ba 2024 yore amuk thing nai re noi kamain tawrige hai Madam, exam ki preparation dori hai. So how long they are going to do this sort of kahta re readiness? Kari no moina ready tori se. Sahi de sum haujan ki click tawraga di like ko crack tawraga di because adu sunangi resilience makhalam oirak pe yai ba if succeed. What if not? Adu erga di kai tawre. Sahi manga taruk su som nakanda graduate loi go so khoi di potha bai culture am su lai ko Manipur de noi su khangam gani graduate loi bai mi sa kai doino hairaga tang potha ba do like tamu bai wa ba gi adung su lai ba 2023 the graduate loi ba ma 2024 ki graduate tholak tribok na the person is called as fresher but the moment 2024 ki tholak raga di he or she is no longer a fresher adui targa di aina interview da na 2022 the graduate loi gre na interviewer da pisan mamatam da interviewer na khan ba yari se mana 22 da loi raga 24 da la isa ma se either yam haita ba nga ma minam ta lobidra ba si khan doine or ma se yam tan ba nga ma ani si khan ba adu kan nang na marak sida between this 2022 dagi 24 marak sida I have done different courses si course tok salubani I gi add on haigadra haina ba atopa extra skills me ama learn to bani haigadi consider to kani otherwise not sisu khangjalu ko Manipur da if you think that no I need to go out and have some experience exposure pa me haigadi mapalam da su corporate companies me ama graduate ngai leba but graduate ki certificate se pichal laga thabak piro haibadi yaroi ba you have to say that you know what I am the best silo oi se adu noi salary cpo ai thabak to bi ge hai ne ba interview se kem na te ba aina ne na hawai ne class si mark am phang kras an ai low have the they won't say I mean they won't get ready for any excuse or reason as such moi hai do say okay who are you I am this how confident you are I'm this much confidence how much do you want how much can you give sidala ka daune ba why should I hire you because whatever quality you are looking for everything is in me that confidence माइद मिट का चानर खुमैबा अंगांग ला सिंगांग से नत्रगा माना सी हाइबसिदा फिलर्स लेब्रा मागी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स कमाय तवी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स हाइबसे नोइना खंगदा वमसो हाइगे को मैम ना इट्स नॉट अबाउट द वर्बल वन हाइना बलाय मेरेवियन स्टडीज का वे अखोई की लोन द को मेरेवियन स्टडीज ना हाइसे 7% in message पीबा 55% in ने आइगी खोन द लयेबा अदुगा रिमेनिंग सिना परसेंट सिना कई द लय आइगी एक्शन दा आइना वाम हाइनिंग बसे सिगी स्टडी से तवेबा एग्जांपल अमा पीगे को नंग न करम मखल की मीने से नंग कैटेगराइज तवबा अदुगी मतुंगिना यू इंप्रूव योरसेल्फ अखोइने युमदा इमा को मतमदा इमा कोरप मतमदा इमासना हाउ हाइरागदी एवरीथिंग इज नॉर्मल राइट इमा हाइबा मतमदा कइनो काइन खितंग सिंग आबा अखोइ ज्ञान ताद्रो इमा इज नॉट नॉर्मल ना इमा इज अपसेट इमा इज एंग्री सी अखोइन अंडरस्टैंड तोइने एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग रिमेनिंग पर्सन सिना कइदा लाई कतरांग कतरांग दा लाखरो कोन से खुमकपदा दैट मीन्स इमा इज on fire never adi matam da ima is very upset with something haibaneba adumain tawdana whenever you say something your voice is saying 7% meaning your paraverbal is saying something paraverbal ko gidang chinga ngang bado hello nushidra hello 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 ka haragadi hello ama katang sida meaning kyam change toy niyo so karam makhal gi mino ai se wangang bada su lai doineba so communication I will see is a part of maneba so si me am sida aina watcher agadi I can still work on that sida hotna jaba yari sida sema gadi sida yam hergan da neba poche lak toi se ko adumaina lai akoi manipur gi oina di kaidawi aina aisu communication guys sida pro flop neba after my graduation in Delhi aisu mukhai daga thabak se interview पीरुबनेबा अद मुखाइबा गिरा खंगदे इंटरव्यू दि खंजलेबा कॉन्फिडेंस तो गिरा खंगदे अदुगा यामना लाइबक थीरी सिना ngसाइगी ट्रेनिंग मनुंग से मोइदी 3 months 6 months ट्रेनिंग अदुम फसना पीबीरगा थबक से होवलेबा ट्रेनिंग सिदा मयाम संगदना आइना ngang सुम नोलकपा सुम काइता नोपीरकपदो आइदी सोम दे स्पेशल काइन तौदना अक्स काइन तौदना एप्रिल फुल काइन तौरमबदना मोइदी याम खर नोकनिंग रोजाने अदगिदी माना मोइ म्याम सुम नोक्सलकपदे आइजु अखोइजु सक्ति अदुम काकपनिना आइन खले बस मो नवा लौदे सि कंपनी तोकथो लोरे सुम खनबा तका तादे अमा चल लोरे मोइ असि पार्टी सिंजेना नोइसे काइ सुम खनबदा लास्ट आइना इमानबीमना हाइरेबा there is nothing wrong in people are not making fun of you. The only thing is your English is a little bit funny. Whenever you say special, whenever you say favorite, these are the thing. And moreover, yam important or music no. My name is Adejara Jara ngang bado. Moi flat ngang bado. That flat ngang gadi robot ngang gado ni hai mana. When we speak, we should speak like a human. Me amoy ngang hai ba. Chak chara bro, nungairi ye ka hai bado. How are you? I am fine, thank you. Do not taba. Ado English ngang bado. Mai ngang view hai ka. Adai di ai sina okay hai go. Ai si khangzare ba ai asoi bise. Then I started using my listening skills. So listening skills hai ba pot sisu yamna maru hai ba pot na malai rame. So whenever somebody is speaking, I listen carefully. I wrote it down and I practice. Listening skill listening skill ki kana bo kaino class tak kaino ma hai ge matamda nang gyan ta doine ba aina handak August month or male kaino da ngasai gi Guwahati de gi flight ama tongaga Manipur tam na lakpada moina na technical issue lai re we won't be landing hai ba phami nai myam do very well to do family adegi ming aktani and very high profile gi English lo ingkhang ma aktane ba aina hai ba I think there is something wrong with the flight Manipur ta ro hai ne mo hai sai gi de da sine ba mo English hai tabadi na te ba but aina di khalle oh aina soi ba ma le na chak banana amuk leiraga la Guwahati tai so that listening skill is so important hai bane adu mind toroga I work for myself I didn't work for anybody else, but for myself. I continuously worked so much that I excel in that communication, so-called communication, and later on I was promoted as a trainer after giving 6 months. Sinebala ise. Hai tabado hotnaragadi hairakpado. Ado ai awatpado aina khangjaragadi khangagadi makha taraktoineba adude hairakadoineba adu maina tawdana I shifted to Pune dagi I never stopped. Okay, since 2015 it's been 17 years as a trainer. Aduna students sing si de aina khangma ngamme o singang si de yam haire si kitang wat le si de haire ga ma haigani haiba pot se si akhoi khangma ngamme. That is the only reason we organize such an event only for the students. So maina lay aduga noi na if you think that ai si kai lady ge where am I going or heading ai si kai gi status se kai no kai naga khangninga gadi you can always approach SS Career. I actually said on the first floor the legally you can always check personally what is hanabasu yagani aduga kari leige haibado khanabiye. Okay, because career ama sembada only hard skill is not enough. Haibane mga siyagi ako'y program sa main oina. Aduga understand to waiba who you are. Nangi leadership skills na karay lairige. Nangi confidence level na karay lairige. Nang how far you can work for your career kaisa. Nang si learn to horo haiba. Koy sa laibag tiba ne koy hainer mine when we were very young. Ako'y matam da di lairakti ko kay. Slairam magadi fagadaw ni kay. But today ako'y na lairam iba mapanda ako'y na sitaw re haise. We are not showing our flags. Ako'y ut pa na te. Ako'y ut ID show off na te ba. Sige dagi kanabal ho hay ba ne ba. Hujikan ki interview di kariso hangi. Noy kanga bro. Which generation you belong to kay hangi ba? Gen Z. Okay, well Gen Z. What are the qualities that Gen Z should possess kay? Siya hangi ni. Nang Gen Z da laibra, Gen X da laibra, Gen Y da laibra, kang deko ay zum hai wane. But I believe that you guys must be in Gen Z. Gen Z da laibra na trono loin ba? Laibro. Kang bro. Which generation? Ay hangin nahan. Ang amda, which generation you belong to na hangin? Ang amda na modern generation na Almana, kang da ba ini ba do? I am not surprised. Kang da ba is kang da ba. But the point is, hujik tinoy, digital and technology ki irada adu khangdragadi you are not using your technology in the right way. Use technology in the right way. Everything is in your hand, in your fingertips taloy layer ngagtane. But still we are not utilizing it. Still we are stuck somewhere. Adubu anything kaino madala agadi akoy mong haibalaite ba. So polish tawsi angang sa this is the right time. Ngasi tahogdragadi hayeng diam ikay doini namana binasumhen gi bahay besu diam ikay doini helan gumsi ay nalay mafam say mapalam gi miga ay compare to with where am I standing kay si khangdu piu accordingly and we akoy gumba may ama lady no help taw na po. All right, thank you so much for today.
Madam, ngakang laibigo, please hold on for a moment. Ngasigi opportunities to all my students in the library, Pambiriba, Maru Pangsing, I request of the Baze. And we believe that this college, Habitaris, that DM Commerce, Arts, Science, the University of Manipuki, top college, and Equina, Lauriniko, Mapandela, Panazulu, respectively, at the Premier Institute, University, where I got the Yamna, Maruvi University, or any Manipuki. No, ma'am, just skill up to the Kale, we can be better. Every one of you know how talented you are. No skill up to with it. The Kale, he and the pocket for the Kale. How's it? Harry Basinga. No, you get Yamna Tung the Chahitara, Matung the Kungi Matung the Kale, get over the tip. No Luong Matung the Kale, get over the immediately. How choosing the Kale, Bungataneva. I don't know. Let's check an opportunity to raise some question. Interaction, Kidan, Fangnabu question. Amani the expectos again. So, any one of you who are interested to ask any question? Question rest of winning, but any student? Ngak le to gesi ko. Adu di laitre log doira. DM University ke any student who want to raise any question? Ma'am na higher dong sa intercommunication ki, employability skills ki, presentation skill ki, yam marui bang tene ba ko. Si yaw ba, si hek yaw ba noi na ko. Ado di noi any chakhi ba da loi thom dat pang mani noi na. Job private sector or public sector or yam phajana dum noi na changi ba da dum noi dum mai pa ga you will come out with flying colors ko. Any question? Later lo radra. Okay, adu ngak le hang zu ai ko. I will continue our session. Adu itaragadi. Thank you very much, ma'am.
That's okay. Keep your question. Huzik khara ikai gini ko. Ando khara ikai ba su ya do hangning ma mayam ma yawra ga su. As ai ke do mi am ta hangak te da ai ke do hang do no sini ko esoi ba ko. Ado maina sum ha koi ne school da su ozan like ta pa hang bai ko je hebi lai ponte ba. Nom ba do hango de ka maina hang ya do no na tra. Ado na hangning ba lai ga su ai nga za hai give do I'm always there. Ado ko horen tumina ka sin da hang zu. Thank you.